Okiki, Okiki, you are the one who protects us. You are the one who gives us life. We honor the spirit of the water, guardian of life and purity.
This work of the goddess is not ordinary. You are right. Something is wrong. This work of the goddess is not ordinary.
You are right. Something is wrong.
Greetings, my king.
Speak, Okiki, goddess of water.
Calamity is about to fall upon this kingdom.
Calamity? How?
Meet me at my altar. I will explain all.
My king, we must not delay. The goddess does not walk without reason. Prepare yourselves. We go to the altar.
This kingdom has broken the sacred law. Blood will answer blood unless the truth is revealed.
Created this Nollywood standard movie you are watching right here for free without paying for any AI tool. All I did is just to get the video idea, and I was seated. The idea came to me, and the next thing I did, I take the idea to ChatGPT, while ChatGPT write me the video script, and I use Whiskey AI to generate those images, and from Whiskey AI, I use Grok AI to generate image to video, which look exactly like the movie you just watched right now. So right now, I'm going to show you how you can also create something amazing like this with your own videos idea. And if you also need the prompt I used to generate this type of video, you can let me know in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to send you the prompt on my Telegram channel. The prompt is going to be on my Telegram channel. You can join my Telegram channel, and the link to my Telegram channel will be in the description of this video. So join my Telegram channel so that you get the prompt I used to generate the entire video. Right now, let me take you guys to my desktop screen and show you how I created this movie from beginning to the end. Let's get started. This is how I get the video you just watched a moment ago. The first thing I did was to head over to ChatGPT. As you can see, I uploaded this image to ChatGPT. This image you are seeing here, I got this image from YouTube, one of Nollywood movies. I got this image from YouTube. As you can see, the goddess here, the elders of the village, the king, and the palace, everything. I got the screenshot from the YouTube video I watched. Now, after getting this image, I have to collage the image together. So I label every image so that ChatGPT is going to understand what I want from him. Because if you do not do it like this, ChatGPT will not understand. And I have already have my own video idea, the type of video I want to create. So the next thing I did was to tell ChatGPT, I say, use this uploaded image as a reference to create me a realistic Nollywood Nigeria standard epic movie. Now the image label 1 should be the goddess. The image label 2 should be the village elders. And the image label 3 should be the king palace. The image label 4. So as you can see, I label everything here. I label everything because I want him to create this type of video, So I label everything, and after I label everything, if you need this, I'm going to send it to you in my Telegram channel. It's going to be on my Telegram channel. Actually, I'm going to post it on my Telegram channel. So if you need it, you just go to my Telegram channel, you are going to see it. Now, after I describe everything to ChatGPT, I also tell him how I want my video. I say, first, it should start with a camera drone viewing the goddess standing in the village water with 4 young ladies, 6 girls. So I just describe everything. I cannot be reading this out. I have to describe everything. As you can see, it's a full long note, long text I write for ChatGPT to understand what I mean. Then after I write everything, this is the result ChatGPT gave to me. This is the result. As you can see, say character, virtual difference. So ChatGPT gave me this result, and it says the image here. As you can see, this is the image prompt it gave to me, characters. So let me show you something ChatGPT gave to me. This, and I use this AI tool, which I usually use to generate my images. I use this AI tool, and after generating the image, I was not satisfied with what I got. I was not satisfied. So I have to tell ChatGPT again to regenerate the prompt. So coming to the image like this. Now, let me show you the first images I got there. The first images were not even, they did not even look like what I should work with. So as you guys can see, this is the first image ChatGPT gave to me. As you can see, this image here, it did not even sound like Nigerian movie. As you can see, this one is even better. I was willing to work with this one. but as you can see the elders here, it was not giving me what I want. These people are Oyibo people, and I was looking for Nigerian movie. As you can see, it was not giving me what I want. So, and finally I got this. I got this image you are seeing here. I got this. But before I got this, I went back to ChatGPT because of all these things he write for me. I was trying to generate the image. It did not fit my scene. So I have to go back to ChatGPT again. I go back to ChatGPT and tell him, let me show you what I tell ChatGPT for him to generate what I want. I say, the image character you gave me did not look realistic like Nollywood Nigeria epic movie. Explain in detail so that AI will understand better on the types of image to generate. As you guys can see, this is what I gave to ChatGPT again. Now, ChatGPT went ahead and break it down. And after breaking it down, say the realistic Nollywood Nigerian epic movie, he break everything down. He break it down how the Nigerian movie should look like, how the movie should look like. He break it down. Now, because if I thought I should be reading these things, it will be so long. Let me just take you guys to the main prompt. As you can see, I say write the prompt when we discuss. I have to spend a lot of time with ChatGPT talking, editing the script, everything. So, and finally, ChatGPT gave me this. As you can see, this is the image I used to generate the goddess. As you can see, ultra realistic Nigeria epic movie goddess, a powerful Nigeria water goddess standing on a village. So, and after ChatGPT gave me this, I copy this prompt, and after I copy it, I take it to this AI tool, and I generate this image you are seeing here. This image you are seeing here. Now I regenerate the image again so that it will fit my story. And this is the image. And I downloaded the image. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can also do it. Now, all you have to do if you want to create this type of image, you go to this AI tool called, you go to your Google, you search for this AI tool. After you got your video script, you go to this AI tool, you search for whiskeyai.flow. If you have been following my channel, I usually use this channel to generate images because I love the way the AI generate images, the AI to generate images. So you click here, and after you click here, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on enter tools, and when you enter tools, it's going to bring you here. Now the first thing I did was to head over to ChatGPT, and I copied this first prompt here, the first prompt of the goddess. I copied everything, and after I copied, I go back to the AI tool and I paste it here. Now, after pasting it, I select my ratio here. As you can see, I select it and put it on landscape. That is 16.9 because I want to use it for my YouTube video. So if I want to use it for TikTok, I can use it here, or for my Facebook, I can select 9.16. But I want it for YouTube, I select here. Now, the next thing I do was to click on this generate icon here. And after clicking on generate icon, ChatGPT gave me this result you guys are seeing here. This AI to give me this result you guys are seeing here. Now, the next thing I did was to go back to ChatGPT again, copy the second image prompt again. As you can see, this is the second image prompt. I copied everything. This one is for the elders. I copy everything, and I go back to the AI tool again, and it gave me image for the elders. As you can see, these are the elders, and that is how I did, and I generate all the image scenes. As you can see, these are all the image scenes you are seeing on that video. These are all the image scenes, and I generated everything. So I've been showing you guys on my previous video how you can generate images using this AI tool. So I don't need to go more detail about that. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you are seeing my video for the first time, you can watch my previous videos. It's going to show you how you can generate images. All you just have to do, you go to ChatGPT, you copy those image prompts one by one, and you go to this AI tool, you keep pasting it, and it's going to generate the image for you, and you are going to see your result just the way you see mine here. As you can see, these are the results I use for the movie. These are the results, and you are going to see it the way you see my own, like this. Now, after you successfully generate all your image scenes, the way you see my own like this, you generate all the image scenes, the king, everybody, you generate all the image scenes. The next thing you are going to do is to click on download, and you download this image to your phone. Now, coming to ChatGPT again back here, as you can see, after these are all the image scenes, image generation. Now, the next thing I say, write the group AI. That means it should write me a prompt I can use with group AI to generate the video. And ChatGPT gave me everything. It gave me, as you can see, say, Throne camera, slowly describe the above, water, space. So it gave me everything again and what they will say. As you can see, what they say at the beginning of this video, as you can see, Okiki, Okiki, you are the one who protects us. You are the one who give us life. So all you have to do is to be copying this prompt and you go to Grok AI where you generate your image to video. Now, let me show you how I did it. I'm going to Grok AI. If I've been following my channel, I don't think you should find this difficult again. But if today is the first time you are coming across this channel, this is how you are going to do it. You go to Google, you search for Grok AI, and on Grok AI, this is it. You click on it. Now, when you click on it, it's going to open like this. I've shown you guys how you can automatically set your Grok AI so that it will not be auto-generating images. All you just have to do, you come to your profile and you click on settings here. When you click on settings, you go to behavior, as you can see, behavior, and make sure you turn this off. This settings auto, which says on enable automatic video generation, you turn it off. And after you turn it off, you go back, and the first thing you have to do, you click on this imagine here, and you click on imagine, you upload your image. Now let's upload our first image. You go back, you click on this arrow and you click on upload file. When you click on upload file, it's going to down to your gallery where you can upload your image. You can do this with your phone, you can do this with with your laptop. Let me look for that image and upload the image. Now let's look for the first image here. Still searching. Now this is the first image. You upload the image. You upload the image it generated for you. Sorry, this was not the first image, but let's just use this as the example. Now you come back to ChatGPT. Coming back to ChatGPT, you copy your image to video prompt. The first image to video prompt, as you can see, this is the first scene here. Water ritual opening where the goddess and her partners are on that water side. You copy and you go back to Grok AI and you paste the prompt here. Make sure you follow it. Now let me wait. Let's just upload the right image so that you guys understand what I'm saying better. Let's upload the right image. Make sure you follow up with your image and your prompt so that you get the entire story very well. Looking for the image. I'm looking for the image. The image is somewhere here. Now this is the first image. You click on open, and when you click on open, the next thing you are going to do is going to upload the image. Let's give it some minutes. It's going to upload the image. Now it has successfully uploaded the image. This is the first image. And when you look at ChatGPT here, the first thing it gave to us, when you read it, it says drone camera slowly describe. So you can just read this. I don't want to be reading all these things. Now you come back to the Grok AI. You have copied your prompt already. You paste your prompt here. And when you paste your prompt, the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate. And when you click on generate, Grok AI is going to generate your image for you. Now it's telling me rate limit reach, and that is because I have generated a lot of videos today with Grok AI. So for free. So if I want to generate my next video, I have to upgrade. But you following this step, you are going to generate the image and you are going to save it to your phone. Now let me show you how everything I did. Now this is the image, as you can see. These are all the images I generated. As you guys can see, these are all image to video I generated. Now I started from generating this one. Now when you generate your first video and it did not look the way you want, you can regenerate it again. Some people generate videos. You can generate videos sometimes once and it's going to look perfect because it's an AI. So sometimes you generate and it will look somehow. You have to regenerate again. As you can see, for the first thing, I have to generate 3 different videos before I got the best one. Now as you can see, the second one also here, as you guys can see, you have to generate so that when you keep generating, you get your own scene how you want it to be. So this is how I generate the entire video. As you guys can see, this is how I generate everything. This is it. And after you successfully generate all the image to video, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to your editing tool. You can use CapCut, you can use Insight, any video editing tool to match all your video together. You add sound, you add background sound. On my previous videos, I also show you guys how you can get your music background sound using Snow AI. You can also do that and get your music background sound. So if you want me to So if you want the prompt I used to generate all these images and also prompt for or if you need every prompt I use on this video, make sure you head down to the description of this video, you join my Telegram channel, and you are going to see those prompts. You just need to copy the prompt and you get started with the video. Now you guys are seeing everything, how I generated the movie from the scratch to the end. You can also do so. Just follow the method I just show you right now in this video, and you achieve this amazing result. In fact, if you do it well, you are going to see something that is more better than the one I do. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.